Hi everybody, it's Chartsky with another video from the new crude oil focused trading room. Now of course we don't always have just winning profitable trades. Sometimes we take a loss. I try and make them around 10 ticks, but sometimes we get popped for 20 and on occasion we have been clipped for 25. But how you handle losses is very important to your long-term results. So I want to show a video of a recent loss, how it happened, and what I did right afterwards. This is from the live trading room on June 23rd, 2015. This is a longer time than normal to have to hold it, but in price whip like this, sometimes you have to hold it longer. This will be our last trade in this whip area. All right, we're back to the entry. I'm going to pause the screen and add a line. Okay, just so you can see. The hits and the rejection at this level. And that's coming up, so we got to be careful. Should have some pretty decent resistance at about 90 to 93. I don't like it being above the entry like this. Actually, we have another hit. Look at this. We have 4 hits. I guess they did that one while I was drawing. 4 hits on that level. If it comes back down to 80, you would not be wrong to scratch this trade with 4 hits on a strong support level like that. It looks like it's not going to come back. All right, go long at 60. Whoops, I missed it. Go long at 60. Let's see if we can't go 20, 40, and 60 ticks to the upside. Just these hits right there, we should have gotten out. But the overall trend is still down, and we just had weak retracements, so whoops, that was a 20 tick stop. So we're down just a little bit, but we'll look to come back right here on a continuation to the upside. May have to hold this one for a while.
About the time I noticed that fourth hit, it was turning up. It was just too late then to get out. This price right here still should have come down. Well, not should have. It did what it should have, but it could have come down. $20, $40, and $60 ticks. Break even. Let's see. We can't go to break even. We got to pull it back. I'm sorry. 20 ticks now for the stop. We can't go to break even yet. That was too soon. Next push up will go. It's like we've said, with price whipping this much, it could come back to 60 again. Knock us out on a really good trade. Showing up. But I'm going to go to break even now. And this is not plus anymore. We're at minus 16 ticks on the day after this last trade. See if we can't get it back on a good, strong push to the upside. Well, this may be too early to go at 60. It may come back again. If it can get through about 60.12, it should go on up. It may come back to 60 another time, though. But we just can't. We can't afford to move the stop twice. If it comes back, it comes back. All right, we got our first profit target, and we'll go to +1 on the remaining part. We're back to positive now for the day. Got to push up toward 40. All right, we got the second profit target, lock in 20 on the trailing one. That's what we were looking for. Makes a run at the high of the day, which is currently 60 and 52 cents. We'll lock in the next step. We got 20 ticks locked in on the last contract here, so we're going to make money on all four. So we're up 65, 70 ticks on the day now. And let's see if we can't catch a really good one here on this last position. I have to give it room to work. So we're back up 64 ticks, waiting on this last one. Let's fix that. Okay, here we're making a push toward the high of the day at 52. I'm going to lock in at 40, which is 40 ticks. And there we go. We got the full boat. 20, 40, and 60. So that was a good trade. We got one that was a loser, and then you just come right back and try and get you a winner. So we had that. So we're at 124 ticks on the day. After almost a full loser there. Stay calm. Trade what the chart is showing you. We got a whip here to start with. And a small loser. We made it back on a full trade. We got knocked out on this one. We had all these hits and still could have come down here, but then it turned up, took us out for 20 ticks, but all we did was reverse and then got 20, 40, and 60, up 124 ticks. And it's about 10:20 in the morning. So we'll let this price calm down after this spike and see what we can get next.
Well, we didn't take anything else because, as you can see, price just put a range in up at the highs, and even though we had that double SR level, which is good to have on these charts, I just didn't feel like taking a divergence sell after that really strong move to the upside. So we were done for the morning with 124 ticks. And the important thing to take away from this video is what we did after a loss of 20 ticks on a full position. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important and I urge you to read it. And you can be with us tomorrow. To find out how or to get more information, go to my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.